Hey there, awesome ALTs of Japan! Ever feel like you're in a totally unique position, seeing the ins and outs of Japanese schools every single day? Like you've got a backstage pass to a whole different world? Well, guess what? You totally do. You're right there, experiencing Japanese education firsthand. And that makes your perspective incredibly valuable. That's why we're super excited to announce a brand new course on ALT training online from the amazing Dr. Sean Mahoney. He gets the ALT life and has packed this course with ways for you to explore and understand your experiences in Japanese schools. Now, we know what you might be thinking. Research? Sounds a bit textbooky, but hold on. This course is for everyone. Whether you're just curious about why your third graders are obsessed with a certain anime, or you're pondering the best way to collaborate with your JTE, this course has something for you. Think of it as your chance to become a super sleuth of the school. You can learn how to reflect on your lessons and figure out what really clicks. Understand the amazing relationships between teachers. Spot the cool things happening in your school, and maybe even some things that could be better. Basically, you're living it, so why not explore it? This course gives you the tools to do just that at your own pace and level. No scary academic jargon. Promise. Unless you want it, Sean's got you covered there too. And here's the awesome part. You're not just learning for yourself. You have the potential to share your unique insights with the world. That's where our other fantastic course, Getting Published with Dr. Melody Cook, comes in. Think of Sean's course as your exploration mission, and Melody's course as your guide to sharing your discoveries. Whether it's a blog post about your funniest classroom moment, an article for a teaching magazine, or even something more academic, ALT Training Online is here to help you get your voice heard. Your experiences are valuable and others can learn so much from them. And the best part? All the courses on altu.net are absolutely free. Seriously. So, are you ready to unlock your inner school super sleuth and maybe even become the next ALT author? Head over to altu.net today and check out Doing Research and Getting Published. Let's share your amazing stories with the world.